Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm so excited for this video. I'm going to be making candles today. I don't know about anybody else, but I am absolutely obsessed with candles. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed with them, but that's kind of what leads me to here. I've actually decided to make my own candles. I honestly have no idea how this is going to turn out. So I think about a month ago at this point, I went on to eBay, Amazon and Etsy, and I actually found this wee kit on Amazon. If I can find everything that I have here, I will link it down below to help you guys out. But honestly, if you just type in anything that I have here that you just want, you'll find it. I have this kit here and I got this off Amazon, and it's the DIY candle making kit, and this was actually really handy. I think this was £16, and it comes with obviously your instructions, comes with your wick, it comes with a wee spatula? Yeah, it comes with all these things that you need basically. Then you get your thing of wax. So this is obviously a soil wax. So this is what actually led me to make this video, was these here. Can you even see that? So basically, you would have seen these candles everywhere at the minute. They are so popular, and you know what guys, they're so expensive, which is fair enough. I'm not going to take that from them, but I do not want to spend £20 on something that I'm just going to burn away. No. This is honestly what got me to thinking, I'm gonna make it myself, god damn it. So yeah, I got two of the wee silhouettes of a woman's body that are really popular at the minute. So I got this one here, like as you can see, this is more my body, which is more chunky and funky. I can make this one for Kyle. And then this one here is more like, I don't know, Kim Kardashian. Look at that booty. So I got this wee one, it's kind of like a crystal stone, and then I love this one here. I don't even know how to actually tell you what this is like, but I'll put a wee picture up on the screen to actually show you what it looks like. So nice. And then I also got this other product off Amazon. This is a 20 colour soap colorant. So these are basically just like wee dyes for the candles, because obviously the candle wax is just like white cream, and I suppose like that would be nice, but I actually thought it would be really cool to actually put some colours in them. So we have this like wee pigment box. I just thought for like, especially the women's body, I thought it'd be quite nice to have a wee bit of a beige colour, to have a wee beige one, like a white one, or I don't know, like just put like some sort of pigment in some of them. I think they'll actually look quite nice. Lastly, you can't have a candle without a scent. So where's the other one? Oh, there it is. So I actually got these wee scents, and these were actually so affordable guys. I think these were like £1 something each, and they are off Craftovator. I don't even know how that's pronounced. I was actually really bummed, you know, because all the Christmas scents were all out of stock, which was shitty. So the first one I got here was Coconut and Waterfall Blooms, which is actually quite nice. And then I got Ivory, is it Patchouli? Which is also quite nice. I have one that smells like a spa, and if I'm being honest, I don't like spas. I don't like the smell of spas. I think I actually got this because I thought I would actually make some candles for like friends and family and I could use this, but it really does smell like a spa and spa products, which I would say like for some other people it would smell quite nice. And then we have Sparkly Snow, which I think I'm actually going to be using today. Okay, so as we can see, we have these, is it wick that you call them? These are basically the things that you burn throughout the candle, and what I love is the fact that there's actually 3 different sizes. I absolutely love that, because I actually got these wee tins off Amazon. I actually got these whenever I was actually ordering all this stuff. These actually were candles. I've just been burning these throughout the week, but I actually thought they would be really cute to just actually reuse and refill every time instead of like binning them off, of course. So yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to filling them up, and obviously these would go well in this size of wee tin. First off, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be boiling a pan of water, and then I'm going to be putting some of the wax into this wee thing here, and then I'm just going to be popping it in, and that's just going to melt the wax. And then once it's all melted, I'm just going to be pouring them into the molds. So that's basically it, guys. It seems actually easy enough, but I'm kind of confused as to when you put the dye in. and when you put the scents in, I don't know. I've actually just realised that with these wee moulds here, there actually isn't a wee hole to actually stick the wick through, say for example, because obviously this is going to be the bottom and then this is just going to be the top where the wee wick is going to have to come through. So I've just got this wee thing here, so I'm actually just going to pierce a hole just in the centre of this one, and then of course I'm going to have to do on this one too. Ooh! That was easy enough actually. Do you know, I'm actually just looking at it and I think I might need to put some more in. I don't know, I'm really bad at judging the amounts that I need. Like, whenever I'm making rice or pasta, you would think I'm feeding the whole of Korean, but I think I'm going to put a wee bit more in. That's actually all melted, and I've actually just kind of thought to myself there, shall I put the fragrance and the dye in now, or do I wait until it's in the moulds? But then if I wait until it's in the mould, will it be even, if that makes sense? Of course, if you are an expert at this or you've done it before, please do let me know so I know, like, in the future. Trial and error, I suppose. Yeah, the scent I'm just going to be using today is the wee sparkling snow scent. These are supposed to be childproof and all, but Jesus fuck! Ooh, I can smell it! So, the two pigments I have here are coffee and brown. But I actually just think that these colours would be quite nice because it'll make them like a wee bit more beige, maybe? So I'm going to get two of these wee wicks, and they are for the body molds. For this wee one, I think I could just get away with using one of the wee small ones, maybe? No, do you know what, actually I'm also going to use one of the medium-sized ones in case something goes wrong, you know? Okay. So I've just put it through the wee hole. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. And then the next one, oh, this is going to be so difficult. I don't know how the hell I'm going to do this. Well, obviously whenever the wax is in the mould and it's set and everything, I'll probably cut it like here. I'm just going to get these set up. The wax is nearly ready. I put a wee bit more of the scent in it. I actually put the pigment in the wax as well when it's melting. I actually put the coffee dye in it, so hopefully they look quite nice. If it comes out slightly darker, obviously I don't really mind. I think it'll look really cute either way. So I thought that while those candles are setting, may as well have a wee chat with these. And do you know what? I am actually that cold today that I'm only after making myself a coffee. I don't drink coffee. Well, that's a lie. I'll drink a mocha if I'm like out somewhere at like Costa or something. If I'm at someone's house, I'll maybe take like a coffee, although I kind of have to be in the mood and kind of depends how they make it. At the minute, I'm just making some lunch. I'm just going to make myself some mac and cheese because it's 25 to 2 already and I still need to edit a video and put that up tonight before I leave to go to Kylie's at 4:30 this evening. What video is it I'm putting up? It's my Shop Miss A full face tutorial. I'm not too sure when this video is going to be going up, by the way, but whatever. I done my nails last night, very Christmassy. It is the season to have a slutty red nail. I definitely want to do a makeup tutorial with like glitter red lips. I thought that would be quite nice. Or just like a really bold red lip. Okay guys, so please do excuse the lighting. It's a wee bit later in the day. It is 5 to 4. I don't actually know why I'm actually telling you what time it is, but I'm so excited. So I'm just going to peel it off. Great. Do you think I could just cut that off? Also with the wick, I'm probably just going to cut it off about here. But I can definitely smell like the fragrance that I put in it. So again, I'm just going to just peel back slowly. Oh, I see a booty. That looks class. So I think I messed this one up a bit. This one looks absolutely hilarious. I'm actually really happy with those. They look really, really cool. And obviously I will mention that these are the two that I actually had put the colour or the dye in, sorry, and if I'm being honest, I think I needed far more dye, obviously, but you can definitely see that there's a wee bit of a tint in them and it's actually quite nice, whereas this one definitely is more like pure white, like cream, whereas with these there's a slight tint. I'm not too sure, you probably won't be able to see it on camera, but I'm actually really happy with those. So what do you think? I am honestly going to accept any tips down below in the comment section for the next time I do these. Thank you all so much for watching. All the products that I used, if I can find them, I will link them down below and I shall see you in my next video.